Do you know if your energy provider supplies you with quality voltage? Perhaps you have noticed that the devices in your installation get damaged or reset, causing production stoppages. These issues are often caused by the overvoltage or other types of power quality defects. That's why it's essential to have a power quality analyzer that can check if the electrical parameters are within the limits defined by the standard. Hello everyone, I'm Carlos Córcoles, Product Manager at Circutor, and today I'd like to introduce you the QNA600, a power quality network analyzer. This device is designed to help you to evaluate the quality of your network, detecting and identifying any voltage event that could disrupt the proper functionality of your installation or the connected loads. Some electronic devices can be affected by poor supply quality, whether due to sporadic weather events like lighting or defects in your distribution network. The QNA600 is fully certified according to the IEC 61000-4-30 International Standard Edition 3, making it the ideal solution for recording voltage events such as overvoltage, sags, interruptions, or even voltage and current transient. It can affect your system. This information is vital for identifying the cause of the problem and, if necessary, negotiating compensation with your energy provider for any damage caused. The QNA600 guarantees accurate measurement as it's certified under the current IEC 61430 standard. Do you know how to analyze data to detect if the voltage quality is within the standard limits? With the QNA600, you don't need to be an expert in quality standard or complex calculation. The analyzer records all the relevant parameters according to the IEC 62586-2 standard and automatically applies the limit sets by the EN 50160, generating a detailed PDF report with graphs and tables to show whether your power supply is within the required limits. This report also includes the IT curve, making it easy to see the effects that a voltage event has had on your installation's load. Another variable feature is the thorough harmonic analysis, which shows the direction of the harmonics, allowing you to determine who is the responsible of the poor voltage quality. The QNA600 also features a simple and intuitive web interface, password protected, which allows you to access the device from any browser, whether through local Ethernet connection or remotely by Wi-Fi or 4G. You can monitor, analyze, and download the data, as well as remotely adjust the wiring configuration if a connection error is detected. For maximum performance, you can connect the QNA600 to the Scout platform. Scout offers web and app access, provide critical alarm notification with contextual information and graph, enabling you to make real-time decisions. It also lets you share information with your team and open workspaces to track the process and action taken to resolve any issue in your installation. As you can see, the QNA600 is ideal for the installation at any service entrance or even at the transformer station. It integrates seamlessly with the center devices through the IEC 61850 protocol and includes GPS positioning to keep it synchronized and easy located. All these features make the QNA the perfect tool to monitor everything happening in your installation in an accessible and understandable way, helping you to analyze and ensure the quality of your power supply. Feel free to contact us for more information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest updates. Thank you for watching and see you next time.